Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today.
Hi Alex. I'm excited too. What's the word we're learning today?
Today we are learning the word
teuer,
What does
teuer,
mean?
teuer,
means expensive. It's often used to describe things that cost a lot. The most common usage is related to prices.
Are there any false friends with this word?
Yes, actually. In English, the word
Tiere,
might sound similar, but it has nothing to do with.
teuer,
Got it. What about the grammar? How do I use
teuer,
in sentences?
Good question.
teuer,
Is an adjective, so it doesn't have a specific article. However, when used with a noun, you'd say
das teure Auto,
for the expensive car. In plural, it becomes
teure,
as in.
teure Autos,
So if I wanted to say, the car is expensive, I would say
das Auto ist teuer,
Exactly. And in the past, you could say
das Auto war teuer,
for the car was expensive.
What about the perfect tense?
You would say
das Auto ist teuer gewesen,
for the car has been expensive.
And how do I use it in the imperative?
You can say
sei nicht so teuer,
meaning don't be so expensive.
That makes sense. Where does the word
teuer,
come from?
teuer,
Comes from Old High German,
Theorie,
which meant precious or valuable. Over time, its meaning evolved to focus more on high cost.
That's really fascinating.
Now let's break it down. The root of
teuer, teu,
but it doesn't have a prefix or suffix. It stands alone.
So it's like a single Lego block.
Exactly. It's a simple word without any complex structure.
Are there similar words I should know?
Yes. Here are a few examples. With the same root, you have
teuer,
for expensive and,
teuerlich,
which is a rare term meaning costly.
What else?
There's also,
versteuern,
which means to tax, where,
wer,
adds a sense of change or transformation.
What about nouns?
You can think of
die Steuer,
meaning the tax, and also.
Der Steuerberater.
Meaning the tax advisor.
So they all relate to cost.
Exactly. We also have
Beisteuern.
which means to contribute, and
Aussteuern.
meaning to control or adjust.
That's really helpful.
Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a store and see something you like. You can say,
Ist es teuer?
Ist es teuer?
Does that mean, is it expensive?
yes. Great job. Now, what if you want to say, this shirt is too expensive?
I think I would say,
Dieses Shirt ist zu teuer.
Perfect. Now, how about if you're at a restaurant and want to ask if the wine is expensive?
I could say,
Ist der Wein teuer?
Exactly. You're getting the hang of this.
what about gender hints for?
Teuer.
Since
Teuer.
is an adjective, it doesn't have a gender. But when you use it with nouns, remember,
Das Auto.
is neuter, so you may want to think of expensive cars as a shiny, sparkling vehicle.
That's a fun image.
Now, let's discuss usage notes.
Teuer.
Can be used in both formal and informal situations.
What are some phrases that go with it?
You might say,
Das ist zu teuer für mich.
meaning that is too expensive for me, or
Ich finde es teuer.
meaning I find it expensive.
Are there any similar words that people often confuse with?
Teuer.
Yes, many people confuse
Teuer.
with,
Dick.
which means thick. They sound different but can be mixed up if you're not careful.
Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. Here's one.
Die Miete in dieser Stadt ist sehr teuer.
That means the rent in this city is very expensive.
And another.
Das neue Handy ist wirklich teuer.
This translates to the new phone is really expensive.
That's helpful.
Here's another one.
Die Tickets waren teuer, aber die Show war es wert.
This means the tickets were expensive, but the show was worth it.
I see.
One more example.
Die teure Uhr gehört meinem Vater.
That means the expensive watch belongs to my father.
I'm starting to get it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Teuer.
mean?
It means expensive.
Great. How do you say the car is expensive in German?
Das Auto ist teuer.
Perfect. What's the past tense of that?
Das Auto war teuer.
Exactly. What would you say if the wine is expensive?
Ist der Wein teuer?
Correct. Last one. What's the adjective form for the comparative?
I think it's
Teurer.
Yes. Well done, Sam. So, to summarize, today we learned about
Teuer.
which means expensive. You can use it in various contexts, and it comes from Old High German. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate your help.
Anytime, Sam. I'm proud of your progress.